Hello, my name is Yana Duchenko and I'm from Russia. I'm very happy to apply for this amazing team in English First company. I truly share the company's vision to break down the barriers of language, culture or geography. I've been working in ISEC more than for 2 years. And after this unique experience, I'm looking for an opportunity where I can not only realize my potential, but also where I can find a team with whom I can share my vision and where the company's values will be similar as mine. In this way, I think English First will be the perfect match with me. I always have a great interest in education sphere. In my previous work, we've realized several events for youth and for business, which provide people in my city with a unique opportunity to gain new knowledge in different sectors. And this understanding that we're doing socially useful work motivated me and after some time my team to achieve our ambitious goals and reach new highs. Also, I worked as a tutor last year. And right now I can understand a little bit more properly how this education process built, and I definitely sure that it will help me to during my working time in English First. I'm just 20, but I have 2 years experience in ISEC and 1.5 year experience in journalism and PR. So I'm quite hardworking, but I really can enjoy this working time. I love all these challenges and different tasks, and I strongly believe that it will be the great start for me, and it will help me to understand the concrete direction of my future career. Also, I strongly believe that my qualifications, skills and knowledge will bring innovations in this company, and together we'll achieve new results. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day. Goodbye.